Okay, so to finish off our circle section, we're going to look at semicircles. And if we consider, I guess, something like that, so y is equal to plus or minus r squared minus x squared. If I square both sides, I get y squared is equal to r squared minus x squared. So I get y squared plus x squared is equal to r squared. So you can see straight away that if I rearrange that, I can get a circle. The significance is if I have a positive out the front, which I do in this case, I'm only getting the top half of the circle, y equals the positive, all the y values are positive. So I've still got a circle, r squared, yeah, so my radius is the square root of that, which in this case is the square root of 9. So let's call everything at 3, -3, 3, etc. So if I do my circle, let's try and keep it out probably a fraction more elliptical than circle. Obviously I'm going to have 3, -3, +3 up there. If I wanted to sketch, I won't do it there, y equals negative square root of 9 minus x squared, well then it's the bottom half. It's where my y values are negative. Well, that's about a circle. So there's negative 9 minus x squared. And up here is positive square root of 9 minus x squared. Alright? If we go to the right hand side, we notice the biggest difference here is we've got x is equal to. So my x and y positions have changed. So again, because I don't have a value there, it means by default it's positive. Alright? And we're going to settle on, hang on, before I do that, I've got a funny feeling. That question should have negative there. Yep, so a quick check says it should be a negative 9 minus y squared. So the negative out the front means I'm just going to have negative x values. So again, I've got radius of 3, which we'll leave up there and down to there, except I'm only going to sketch where the x values are negative. So I've got this section of the graph and that section of the graph, yeah? And conversely, if I want x equals positive, the square root of 9 minus y squared, I'm going to have that section. Geez, I don't like that part. Alright? So, yeah, so it's just a case of identifying where your values are, whether it's y equals or x equals, and then sketch the relevant half circle.